Have you ever heard of the Uniplanetary Evolution Theory? What if your understanding of space and time may be limited? I challenge you to question the current narrative and venture beyond the realms of our traditional understanding and peer into a fresh new perspective, a fresh theory that shakes the very foundation of how we perceive the universe. A radical idea, yet intriguing. What if I told you all planets are simply Earth in different stages of its life cycle? The Uniplanetary Evolution Theory is a fresh perspective that will blow your mind. Picture this: each planet in our solar system, from Mercury to Neptune, represents Earth at a different stage of its life cycle. Imagine Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, spinning closest to the Sun. According to this theory, Mercury is not just another planet. It's an infant version of Earth, a newborn, if you will, freshly ejected by the Sun, still glowing with the heat of creation. Now let's journey to the outer edges of our solar system, where Neptune, a giant ball of gas and ice, resides. In this grand scheme, Neptune is not just a distant, cold and quiet planet. It's Earth in its twilight years, a senior citizen of the cosmos, having seen and weathered the ebb and flow of time and space. Between these two extremes, every other planet, including our own, is Earth at a different point in its story. Mars, with its red, barren landscapes, represents Earth in its adolescent years, facing the harsh realities of the universe. Venus, shrouded in thick, suffocating clouds, is Earth in its rebellious years, experimenting and pushing the boundaries. And Earth, our beloved blue planet, is in its prime, teeming with life and potential. But according to the Uniplanetary Evolution Theory, this is not a permanent state. If we accept this idea, we must also accept that we are on the brink of a transformation. Earth is aging, and we are seconds away in cosmic terms from becoming Mars. Meanwhile, Venus, our sister planet, is on the verge of a metamorphosis, preparing to shed its dense atmosphere and bloom into a more Earth-like world. It's a fascinating loop of cosmic evolution where the end is just another beginning. If we accept this theory, we are on the cusp of transforming into Mars, while Venus stands poised to become more Earth-like. A cycle of life and death, of evolution and change, spanning across the vastness of space and time. It's a new way of looking at our universe, and it might just change everything. Imagine traveling to Venus. It would be like journeying 1 billion years into Earth's past. Picture this, an extraordinary voyage, not just through the vast reaches of space, but through the annals of time itself. An adventure that takes us back to our own cradle of existence. This isn't just a flight of fancy. The Uniplanetary Evolution Theory suggests it's more than possible. It's a journey we've taken before. Delving into ancient chronicles, we find tales of sky beings descending from the heavens. These celestial visitors didn't come to conquer, but to guide, to help humanity flourish and thrive. So, who were these sky beings? Aliens from distant star systems, as some conspiracy theories suggest? Or could they represent something more? A connection not just to the stars, but to our own future. We've always looked to the skies for answers, but perhaps the answers lie not just in the stars, but in ourselves. Conspiracy theories may suggest these beings are aliens, but could they be something else entirely? What if these beings are not extraterrestrial, but rather evolved humans from the future? A thought-provoking question, isn't it? And it's not as far-fetched as you might think. The Uniplanetary Evolution Theory suggests that what we perceive as alien encounters might actually be interactions with our own species, but from a distant future. These beings, these time guardians as we'll call them, might be us, just far more advanced and evolved. Imagine this: they've mastered the art of time travel, and they're journeying back to our era. But why? The theory proposes a fascinating answer. They're here to safeguard their own existence. Our future selves are babysitting the timeline, gently nudging us along the path that ensures their survival in the far-off future. It's a staggering idea, isn't it? It redefines our understanding of time, space, and our place in the cosmos. It suggests an interconnection of past, present, and future that's far more intimate than we've ever considered. But what does this mean for us? It's a concept that invites us to think, to question, and to imagine. It encourages us to consider our actions and their potential impact on the future of our species. It reminds us that we are not isolated beings, but part of a continuum that stretches far beyond our present moment. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember, you might just be looking at the future of humanity. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you are a passionate explorer of the mysteries in our cosmos and eager to uncover new perspectives, you've come to the right place. We post thought-provoking videos every day, so don't miss out on any of our mind-blowing episodes. Hit that subscribe button now and embark on more awe-inspiring voyages of discovery.